Hi guys, so we have this slider and let's have a look on the backhand and let's see. So we have this section and inside this section we have a slider wrapper, okay, and inside this div you will find a code block settings. Inside this code block the settings are in CSS section where you can do you can change swiper navigation color, which is a color of your arrows, and swiper pagination color, which is color of these dots. And also you can change the color of your active dot color, oh sorry, not active, inactive, which is this one. So yeah, so you have these settings, so color settings. And as for settings of a slider, you need to go to JavaScript part here, okay, and you need to scroll down to a part where you have these settings. I will name this slider settings, okay. So to this part, and basically which means loop like this, that means that this slider will be inside a loop. So like this I can scroll like for infinity, so I can like this, I can scroll back, okay. So it's a loop. If you don't want to have a loop, just remove this and you won't have a loop. So okay. And also for default it will have just one slide per view, like for a small screen, okay. And here for a breakpoint you can set your own breakpoint, and you can set that like from 640 it will have 2 slides, and like from 1100 like upper it will have 4 slides. So it's like this. So if I like resize, if I make it small, you can see that we have like lower number of slides. So you can do it all here. And also you can add more parameters, because this is a Swiper.js slider, so it has a lot of options. So for example, if I want to add an autoplay, so let's go to swiper.js.com and go to their demos, and here you can choose something you want. So for me, I want the autoplay, so let's find here the autoplay and open this core. Okay, wait a second for it to load. Alright, so let's scroll down to the JavaScript part, and what we need is this part, autoplay. So just copy all of this, copy and go back, and here under this just paste it like this, and make sure that you have a comma here as well. Okay, so like this we will have an autoplay, and this autoplay will play like each 2.5 seconds. Okay, so if you want more, just set like to 3.5, because this is in milliseconds. Okay, and this is by default that it won't disable the autoplay on slide or on hover. So if I save this, let's see, and go back, let's refresh. So now each 3.5 seconds it should like slide on its own. Yes, perfect. Yeah, so like this you can change the settings for slider. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.